Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. All right. Okay, so today I am going to show you the beauty, the untouched beauty of this area. So yeah, so as you can see, of course, if you're going to be in here, yeah, so you can see how beautifully it was created. So I would like to invite you to see this video. All right, and you're going to see how beautiful this this nature is. All right, so sit back, of course, and relax while tuning into this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you like this. And I'm going to show you more of this kind of videos. All right, so yes. Okay.
这一次我真的睡着了。
So I want you to hold your breath as we go through with this beautiful tap, of course. So yeah, just keep on watching, guys, and here it goes. Here it goes. Wow, great, isn't that great? All right.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Thank you for watching, guys. See you again.